Anyway everyone, we're just bringing Steve for a walk here at Ford Park, which is the dog park. We've been here before, but I wanted to go out today. And fly the drone, but the weather is actually crap. Okay, so we're in the park. Grab the door. Let Steve go now. That's it, let's go. Come up. And it's starting to rain. The sun's out. Come on Steve, keep walking. Yeah, the sun's out. Looks like it's a nice day, but as you can see there's a bit of break in the clouds. And we're at Ford Park again. Go for a walk. As you can see, the clouds up above. There was a storm that passed over us. That's gone. I think it's gone in that direction. Or maybe it's in that direction. I don't know. I've lost my bearings. It could be in that direction up there. But it was pretty wet coming down here. There you go. So there's Mum getting a few little bags there for doggy bags for Steve. So we always get a few. So when he does any poos, oh yeah, bright sunshine here at the moment, as you can see. It was meant to be 17 or 18 degrees Celsius today, so it's not overly cold, but it's wet. Now they forecast, you can see in the distance there, I think that's what went past us before on the drive here, and that dumped down a bit of rain. But we thought we'll bring Steve out for a little walk, as the last few days have been absolutely terrible, and yeah, get him to walk around free. It's good for Mum and I. There's Mum. Say hello, Mum. Hello. There you go. She's waving to everybody. Yeah, it's good not only for Stevie boy here with his little jacket. It's good for myself and for Mum just to get out and yeah, Mum saying hello to everyone. So it's a good little park here, Ford Park in Heidelberg West, or it's actually Heidelberg West is just over the other side of the road, I think, and here it's Ivanhoe. But don't quote me on that. We're in Melbourne, of course, and the dog park stretches from straight ahead, as you can see, all the way down to that side where we came in from. So it's probably about 100 metres. Now I've flown the drone here before, not the new Mavic Air 2, but the Spark, and you can see what it's like from above. In fact, one of the videos, I think I had a stack in one of the trees as I took off, and I took off from underneath a tree. I thought I had plenty of clearance, and I went straight up and bang, straight into the tree, into the branches. But the drone recovered, kept flying. But it's a cool little park here. There's a bench there, a little tap there for people to sit down, to drink, and obviously to sit down. And you can walk up and down and let your dogs go. Usually there's a heap of dogs in here. Last time we were here there was a husky and a few other dogs, a beagle I think it was, and I'm not sure what the other dog was, I can't remember now. I'm trying to think of its name, but yeah, so it's good because, as you can see, it's all wet now because it's pretty lousy weather the last few days, and I've been working as well, and I've been hanging to fly the new Mavic Air 2 drone, but the weather's absolutely crap here at the moment, so we'll just make do with the GoPro. So if it rains now, it won't matter because the GoPro's waterproof. And there's Steve, he wants to have a pee at everything. Aren't you a good boy, Steve? But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care everybody and stay safe.